Healthy living is often discussed in terms of medical treatment, medications, and hospital visits. Many people believe that once a disease appears, the solution must come entirely from medical procedures. Surgery, medication, and hospital care are indeed extremely important, but they are only part of the story. The human body does not function like a machine that can simply be repaired with a single tool. It is a living system constantly influenced by what we eat, how we live, and the environment we create inside our bodies every single day. When people hear about someone who went through intense treatment, but still became weaker afterward, the question often arises about why that happened. The answer is rarely simple, but one factor that consistently appears is the overall condition of the body during and after treatment. A body that receives proper nourishment and balanced daily habits often recovers differently, compared to a body that continues to struggle with poor nutrition and constant stress. This is why discussions about health eventually return to one simple place: the dining table. Every day we eat several meals, and those meals gradually shape our internal environment. Many people search for expensive supplements or imported health foods, yet overlook the ordinary foods that have sustained people for generations. Traditional meals in many cultures were not complicated. They often consisted of whole grains, vegetables, legumes, fish, and modest portions of protein. These meals were simple, but they provided balance and stability to the body. Over time, however, modern diets changed dramatically. Processed foods became more common, flavors became stronger, and meals became more convenient but also more artificial. Foods high in sugar, salt, and refined ingredients began replacing natural foods. While these foods may taste appealing, they often place extra stress on the body. Many people notice that after eating modern meals, they feel heavy, sleepy, or uncomfortable. These feelings are not simply part of aging. They are often signals that the body is working harder than necessary to process what it receives. When people gradually shift their meals toward more natural foods, the body often responds surprisingly quickly. Whole grains provide fiber and nutrients that support digestion and steady energy levels. Vegetables supply vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that help maintain balance throughout the body. Fruits, when eaten in their natural form rather than as juice, provide fiber that slows sugar absorption and supports gut health. Another important aspect is how food is prepared. Heavy sauces, excessive oil, and strong seasoning can overpower the natural qualities of ingredients. Cooking methods that keep foods closer to their original state often allow the body to process them more comfortably. At first, simpler flavors may seem unfamiliar to those accustomed to highly seasoned foods. However, taste perception gradually adapts. After several weeks, many people rediscover the subtle flavors of natural ingredients and begin to enjoy them more. Reducing processed foods is also an essential step. Many packaged snacks, baked goods, and instant meals contain high levels of additives and refined ingredients. While they may be convenient, regular consumption can create long-term strain on metabolic health. Replacing some of these foods with whole grains, legumes, vegetables, nuts, and fresh ingredients can significantly change how the body feels. People who adopt these changes often report improvements in digestion, more consistent energy throughout the day, and better sleep. Morning fatigue may decrease, and the body may feel lighter after meals. These changes do not come from any miracle product. They simply result from giving the body food that it can process efficiently. As people age, this approach becomes even more valuable. The body's ability to recover and process heavy meals gradually declines with age. So simpler and more balanced meals often support better long-term well-being. Ultimately, maintaining health does not require complicated or extreme strategies. It requires consistent daily choices that support the body's natural balance. Meals prepared from simple ingredients, eaten regularly and in reasonable portions, can gradually reshape the body's internal environment. Each meal becomes an opportunity to support long-term health, rather than challenge it. When people begin thinking about their meals this way, the dining table becomes more than a place to eat. It becomes a place where daily health is built step by step. The food we choose today influences how we feel tomorrow. By remembering this simple principle, anyone can begin improving their health, starting from the most familiar place in life, their daily meals.